Por favor. It's warm. W, an upside-down M.
I don't get it.
Oh, you will. It's like swimming. It takes time. But then it's easy. And the whole world opens to you.
I hate this. It's too hard.
Take your time.
Evening.
Sister, my friend, Mr. Morgan.
Oh, sir. Brother Dorkins told me about the wonderful thing you did.
Oh, he talks a lot of nonsense. No offense.
None taken at all. Hey, stop!
These kids, they're the worst!
Don't hurt him, please!
Meet us at the cathedral, Mr. Morgan.
Oh, no, my mother gave me that when I was a girl.
Yeah.
喂，睇住！
You little bastard! You alright?
Oh, I'll live.
Kid did this?
You know him?
He robbed me. Which way you go?
That way, think.
Thank you.
Get off me!
Where's my watch, you little weasel?
I don't know nothing about no...
Hey, you! Why don't you leave the boy alone?
What's it to do with you?
I can hit a lot harder than you. Promise you that.
All right, forget it. Little shit ain't even worth my time.
That's life, ain't it?
Gonna head off.
Thanks, mister.
Hey, you want some company, mister?
No.
You sure?
Hey. I don't know you. This is Downs?
Not you. Get away.
Huh?
Now.
I mean, hey.
Help!
Wh-
Help!
Hold on.
This man is bothering
Now-
me. Someone help me. Officer, help! Oh, heck.
Go ahead, keep moving. See what happens. Get him, let's go.
Scarce believe it.
Can't believe this shit got on.
Excuse me.
¡Abren los ojos!
Watch yourself, fool.
Unless you want
Every
trouble,
day.
take that
It's a
mask
new
off.
challenge, Father.
That's it. Keep going.
Mr. Morgan!
Excuse me, Father. Sister, I got your cross.
You didn't.
Oh, I did.
Oh, I hope the boy...
He's fine, physically. Mentally, he's a piece of work, but who am I to say?
Brother Dorkins was right about you. You are the most wonderful man.
Brother Dorkins is greatly deceived, I'm afraid, but I'm happy to help a little.
Thank you. You see, it's a thing, but my mother gave it to me when I was a novice, shortly before she passed. You are the most wonderful man.
Oh, excuse me, Father. Sister, enjoy your day.
See, Father? Brother Dorkins found him.